Let's check out a fix for this issue with the eyes. If you see this, let me know, but these shaders were made using Amplify shader editor, which I've added to the project here. So if I click on this, hopefully it shows me the problem asset. So actually the HDRP, this one, and I can open the shader editor to see what's going on. And usually it's just a case of recompiling this stuff. Usually just move something around, recompile, and it should be good now. So let's check out the scene. Okay, so the other thing is the profile, the scattering profile is pink, so it means it's either missing that or it needs fixed. So I'll just go to each of these and just see what's happened. So there it's down here, right, as it has found it, right, it's in the project there, and you just have to click fix and that will update that. You see that's fixed all three, and that should be it. If there's any other issues comes up, let me know. You see there's two LEDs there, so when you get closer it gets a little bit more rounded. Yeah, just check your directional light does, you know, what you expect as well. Sometimes, so you see the dilation is working, so that the pupil will get smaller when the light's in front. And there's a parallax effect. That's why it looks kind of odd there. It's a parallax effect, so the eye doesn't look too froggy. You can play with those settings. That's it. It seems to be working now, so thanks for watching. Bye.